I'm spicy.
No, I'm spicy.
Bro, what the hell are you making that face? Damn, you look ugly as hell.
And hot Cheeto? It's not spicy.
Bro, if I ate that, I would be screaming on that damn floor. Bro,
Spicy ramen? I eat this for...
what the hell you eat that? What you mean you eat that for breakfast? Bro, you're messed up as hell. You're bald head.
Watch this.
Bro, where did the Takis go? And where did the hot sauce go? Bro, you faking this so hard. And you can't, and you're so bad at people not seeing it.
Ah!
Ha! That's what you get for faking it. You big, fat, bald head. But you know what? At the end of the video, I'm gonna zoom into the big fat bald head.
Ah!
Here, it will cool you off.
Give me that!
Bro, how dumb is he? That is literally a hot pepper. How did he not? That! She there. Bro's head got so big. I'm zooming to that. Very good.
No reaction!
Okay, you did do a reaction, and guess what? Since that's eggs on your head, I'm gonna zoom in. See, guys, I told you I would do it. I always keep my promise. And subscribe.